for our killer whale family, demonstrating their incredible size, speed, power, and complex learning abilities. These behaviors keep our whales active and engaged. SeaWorld's killer whales have inspired generations around the world, and we're excited to share their stories with you today. Is the youngest whale at just 14 years old, and the oldest is his mother Katina, who is also the matriarch or leader of our pod. SeaWorld's animal training techniques create a language between us and the whales. It's a language of learning. Through positive reinforcement, encouragement, commitment, and care, the whales learn to trust us and even learn to take an active role in their very own health and well-being. Makayo is demonstrating one of the very first husbandry or healthcare behaviors that we train, a position in which we ask for a voluntary blood sample. The whales learn to roll ventral or upside down and present us with their tail flips just like this. This gives us a great look at their entire body and also gives us access to blood vessels easily seen on the white underside of those tail flips. Our veterinarians collect the blood sample at least once a month, and the whales are trained to remain calm and relaxed throughout the procedure. As trainers, we're frequently rubbing down or massaging the whales on their backs, pectoral flippers, or tail flips. The whales have very sensitive skin, and this is one way you can reward them for remaining calm during procedures like this, and a great way for us to strengthen our relationships with the whales. Another important diagnostic is weighing the whales, which we can do by asking them to slide onto a killer whale size scale located in one of our adjacent pools. When the whales slide up, a portion of their body from their dorsals into their tail flips, called the peduncle, is still in the water. It's very heavy and muscular. In fact, natural athletic behavior we see in all killer whales is the ability to lift that portion of their body with such force it can turn completely before re-entering the water. We're able to demonstrate that right here in our slide out area. Now, when Trua slides up, you'll see his peduncle is still in the water. So in this scenario, we're able to solve that problem by simply asking him to lift his tail up and out of the water. Training this posture enables us to ensure accuracy. So we know that the younger whales are growing properly and the older whales are retaining a healthy weight. Ready? You are going to take your left hand and bring it up very slowly to the sky. He's on his way. Ready? Okay, take your left hand, bring it up very slowly to the sky. And hold it, and on the count of 3, bring it down to your side really fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, he's got it! Well done, everyone. You can have a seat. As you can see, Trua was paying very close attention to you. Killer whales are very curious and can be seen spy hopping and jumping completely out of the water to get a better look around. Trua is going to demonstrate this with a big jump over the stage called a bow. So when we see it, let's give him a great big cheer. To give the signal, take one finger on each hand and throw them over your left shoulder. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And Makayo is off. Killer whales reach for a wide number of different reasons, whether to surprise their prey, scratch an itch, or to get a better look around. But more often than not, they'll reach simply just to show off. Several hundred pounds of food every single day. In the ocean, killer whale diets depend on where they live and the time of year.
Vamos a la